The periodontal condition, also referred to by the name of gum disease, is an oral health problem that impacts thousands of people around the world. The cause is the accumulation of plaque on teeth that could cause infections as well as inflammation and ultimately loss of teeth if not treated. This video will look at ways to avoid periodontal diseases and keep good gums. 1. Maintain a healthy oral hygiene. The best method to avoid developing periodontal disease is to maintain proper dental hygiene. It is important to brush your teeth twice every day, daily flossing as well as applying an antiseptic mouthwash in order to eliminate the bacteria. It's important to clean and floss correctly to get rid of food particles and plaque that could cause gum disease. 2. Visit your dentist regularly. Checkups on your dental health are vital to prevent periodontal diseases. The dentist will be able to spot the early symptoms of gum disease and offer treatment prior to it gets worse. It is suggested to see your dentist at least every 6 months for routine exam and cleaning. 3. Do not smoke. Smoking cigarettes is an important danger factor in the development of periodontal disease. It reduces the immunity and decreases blood flow to the gums, which makes it more difficult for the body to fight off infections. If you smoke, quit smoking is among the most beneficial things you can take to avoid gum disease as well as improve your general well-being. 4. Eat a healthy diet. An energizing diet is able to fight periodontal diseases through the provision of essential nutrients to help maintain the health of your gums. Vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits as well as leafy greens will strengthen gums and help prevent infection. Refraining from eating acidic and sugary foods will also prevent plaque accumulation and lower the chance of developing gum disease. 5. Manage stress. Stress can affect the immune system, making it more difficult for the body to combat gum diseases. For example, relaxation methods like meditation, yoga, or exercises can aid in preventing gum disease as well as improve general health. 6. Make sure to use a toothbrush with a soft bristle. The hard bristles of toothbrushes may cause irritation to the gums and can cause damage to enamel. This can increase the chance of developing gum diseases. It is essential to choose a toothbrush with soft bristles to clean your gums and teeth, but without damage. Replace your toothbrush each 3 to 4 months or earlier if bristles have worn down. 7. Rinse your mouth with antiseptic mouthwash. Utilizing an antiseptic mouthwash will aid in preventing gum disease by eliminating oral bacteria and decreasing plaque buildup. Choose a mouthwash that has ingredients like chlorhexidine and cetylpyridinium chloride that are powerful in combating gum diseases. Rinse your mouth with mouthwash after flossing and brushing for the best dental hygiene. The bottom line is that periodontal disease is a frequent oral health problem that can be avoided by maintaining a healthy oral hygiene practices, frequent dental exams, a balanced diet, and stress management. If you follow these guidelines to maintain your good gum health and avoid gum diseases, make sure to talk to your dentist should you are concerned about the health of your mouth.